So what happens if you want to operate from a moving vehicle? Here's what the FAA has to say. If operating from a moving vehicle, choose a sparsely populated or unpopulated area to make a plan to keep the sUAS clear of anyone who may approach. So you can operate from a moving vehicle. You can operate from your car or a truck. 14 CFR Part 107 permits operation of an sUAS from a moving land or waterborne vehicle over a sparsely populated area. However, operation from a moving aircraft is prohibited. Okay, so you can operate from a train, a car, a boat, but you absolutely cannot fly your sUAS from an airplane. Okay, pretty straightforward. Additionally, small unmanned aircraft that are transporting another person's property for a compensation or hire may not be operating from any moving vehicle. Okay, so you may also operate an sUAS to transport another person's property for compensation or hire, provided you comply with the additional requirements. Okay, so this is if you want to fly your drone to deliver pizza or something. Okay, here are the requirements. Total weight of the sUAS, including cargo, must remain below 55 pounds. Okay, below 55 pounds. So that's 54.99999. Okay, you cannot exceed that weight. Okay, second requirement, the sUAS operation must be within the boundaries of a state. Okay, so you can't go from California to Nevada. It's pretty simple, within the state. Okay, next requirement, no items may be dropped from the small unmanned aircraft in a manner that creates an undue hazard to persons or property. Okay, I don't think I need to explain more about that either. Okay, and lastly, you may not operate the sUAS from a moving land vehicle or a waterborne vessel. So we've covered that already. And next thing is, yes, you may operate from a moving vehicle, but you cannot drive under distraction, right? So anytime we're referencing operating from a vehicle, we are assuming that you are on the passenger side. Okay, you're not driving and controlling your small UAS. I'm not sure how you could do that, but they made sure that rule is in Part 107 to make sure nobody breaks that rule, right? So if you're driving and flying at the same time, it is illegal because it is considered distracted driving. Okay, so it's not even the FAA that's going to come at you. Your local police will come at you. Okay, so I hope that clears things up with in regards to moving vehicles. I'll see you guys in the next video.